Yeah, good morning everyone. Myself Chaitanya. I'm a first year undergrad at BVRIT Institute of Technology. The topic I'm going to teach today is about conditional statements in C language. So let's go into the intro. In C language, conditional statements are used to make decisions. They allow the program to execute different code blocks based on certain conditions. Talking it in simple language, with conditional statements, you can make decisions. Suppose you have a huge pile of data and you want a certain amount of data in which a certain amount of data in that. Like if you have if you have a party, you want to only invite the people who are more than 18 years. So you can do that with the help of conditional statements. Yeah. Going to the next one, types of conditional statements. In this, we have five types: if statements, if else statements, nested if statements, if else ladder, and switch statements. Going to the first one, if statement. It only executes a block of code only if the condition is true. So you're gonna give a condition, and if the condition is true, then only it's gonna execute it. If it's false, it's not gonna execute it. So here is a example code. Number is equals to 10, and the condition is if number is greater than 0, print the number is positive. So here the number is positive, so it's going to print number is positive. If it is not, it's gonna not print anything. It's not going to print anything. Next, going to if else statement. So it's an extension of if. Compared to if, in if statement, it's only going to execute when the statement is true. Here, if the statement is true, it's going to execute the true block of the statement. Otherwise, it's going to execute the other block of the statement. So here you can see number is equals to -5. The first condition is number is greater than 0, printf positive number. And next, otherwise printf negative number. It's not greater than 0 now. So it's not going to print the if statement, it's going to print the else statement, negative number. So the final output we are going to get is negative number. Next, we have nested if statement. You can put one if inside another to check multiple conditions. So you have a condition, and in that condition you have another condition. For this you can use nested if statements. It can be better understood with a problem example. Here you can see we have taken a problem to check whether the number is 0, positive or negative. So first you can see the number we have taken is 0. So number is greater than or equal to 0. In that we have the condition if number is equal to 0, printf number is 0, else number is positive. So for the main if statement, it's gonna work. And you have another nested if. Here it's gonna show number is 0. If you have like number is 1, it's not gonna take the number. It's not gonna print number is 0. It's gonna print the number is positive. Understood, right? Next, we have if else ladder. So used when there are multiple conditions to check. See, you can see the code is very big. By this you can understand the magnitude of this if else ladder. You can use it for infinite number of conditions. So first you're gonna keep the if statement. Next you're gonna keep the else if. How many statements are there? You're gonna keep that many. You're gonna use else if. At the last you're gonna use else. So if, else if, and else. You can see the example code here. And then moving on to the last one, switch statements. Used to select one option from many based on variable values. See, if you want to select one option from the numerous variable values, then you can use switch statement. From the example, you're going to understand it way better. But I have taken different days. So the case 1 is Monday, case 2 is Tuesday, case 3 is Wednesday. As you can go on like that, case 4 is Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. To case 7, I didn't take it, I only took it till 3. So the input is given as day 3. So it's going to print Wednesday. The output is going to come Wednesday. If you're going to print like 4 or 5 in this code, it's going to show invalid day. So I think you understood from this. So guys, that's it from conditional statements. If you have any queries about this, please comment. And also, if you want to give any suggestions how I need to improve my lectures, you can also comment that. So like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.